Hello, welcome back. This is Nora Online YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on how a snipping tool works. A snipping tool, it is a tool that we use for capturing the screen area of your computer. This thing, it is the screen area of computer. Well, I already hide the files on the desktops, but how can we capture this screen? This is what we are going to look at. There's a tool called snipping tools. If you have a computer and you do not know how to capture the screen area of your computer or anything using a snipping tool, I will show you today. So what we are going to do right now is going direct into this window. There's a window here, this one. So we are going to type snip like this, SNIPPING. So here we are trying to search the tools. So the tool is called snipping tools. This is the tools. So this tool allows us to capture the area of the computer. So what we are going to do, we are going to click it. We capture the screen area just to make it as a picture. Okay, so we have to wait for it. So it is coming right there. So here we have this tool. This tool, it is called a snipping tool. So it is a very important tool. It can help us, to capture the screen. And what we're gonna do right here is by simply clicking this new, this one. You click new, and then you can simply draw the area that you want to capture. Okay, you can click like that. Now this is what we have. You can see that this is a picture already because we have captured it. So what we're going to do next is simply to save it as a picture. We can simply go direct into this. There's a button here. This is a save snip button. This one, you can click it and you save your picture on a folder that you can find it when you need it. So let's wait. Okay, this is the one. So here we can simply give it the names, any name. Let's say we can call it maybe a picture, something like that. So it has to be different from, the name should be different from the one that we have inside already. So we can put it under picture or anywhere. So you can simply save it. There you go. Now we have done the important part. So after you take a picture, let me simply do this. After you capture this, the next move is by simply going to the folder and do what you want with the picture. Okay, let's do another thing. Let's do snipping tools again. So what I'm going to do right here, let me simply click, look for words. Let's say I have this word, Microsoft Office Word. I want us to do something there, and we can screenshot it and we make it as a picture. In case you have a document and you do not know how to share them either online or using any social media, that you can upload it as a picture. So here let's take, let me simply say it, hi, just something like that. Okay, okay, how are you there? And then you want to send it as a picture. Let's increase the size or give it anything. Let's say, yeah, okay, or something like that, or whatever we need. Okay, let's say you want that thing, you want it to be like that, and you want to save it as a picture. There's something that you can do about that. So let's do this. What we're going to do here, we are going into a snipping tool. We have to type a snip, okay, snipping tools, and then we click this. Okay, and then after clicking it, as long as you are on this screen, you can simply click new. Okay, you can see that. So we can simply put this thing aside, close this. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, we can simply click that, and we are going to put this thing aside, and then we can simply draw the picture just like that, and then you leave it. Now this is a picture already. You can simply save it as a picture. So we can call it hi, simple as that. So there we have the picture. This is how you can save your screen area as a picture, or whatever you want to draw and you want to make it as a picture so that you can use it, this is the way. So just this software or this application, it comes together with the Windows. It is, you cannot download it. It is simple as something that comes with the window together. All you gotta do, go to window and then type snipping, just like that, and then it will appear. You can see that there's an icon there. You will recognize that. So I want you simply to learn it in case you want to use it, because this is what I always use also, and I would like you also to use it if you want to screenshot the screen area of your computer. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and also share it with the people if you think that it can help them. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.